Hello everyone, so today is my first vlog of Vlogmas this year, so I'm going to vlog every day until Christmas, which is going to be really challenging, but fingers crossed I can do it. I'll try my best. So today is the 1st of December and the 1st of summer here in Australia, and I'm super excited because the skies are blue. It's gonna be like 32 degrees here in Melbourne. Beautiful weather. So Mel and I are gonna head to the beach. So I'm packing some beach snacks at the moment. I'm just gonna chuck some sausages on the pan. Yeah. Okay, so while the snags are cooking, I'm gonna pack the esky. So I'm just gonna got 2 big bottles of water. Chuck those on the bottom. Then I've got some dip. We've got 2 juices. And the rest I will cut up now. So I'm going to cut up some carrots, some capsicum. I'm going to wash these cherries and put them in a container. And then we've just got some other snacks in here. Cherries and cucumber, capsicum and thyme. Pop these in. Got chips, crackers, sour. Oh yeah, snacks coming along nicely. I think they're actually, yeah, they're ready to roll. Got our acai bowls for our road trip to the beach. Yeah. Acai Brothers, Port Melbourne. The best. The best. The local. The best. The local best. So we made it to the beach. It's done. Time to crack open the esky. Check it out. We've got our little spread. Oh, stunning. Such a beautiful day. First day of summer spent. So came out getting our first ever Christmas tree. Oh yes.
How cute is that?
That's so cute. How will we hang it though? We'll have to buy a hook.
I know. That would be so festive.
Oh no, but if it rains, it's gonna get drenched. Because we don't have a shelter. Oh, there's your candy canes. Okay, so we want to be festive and get a t-shirt because it's too hot for a Christmas sweater. So these are all really lame. Like we want something like really corny, really cheesy.
So this is just like we're taking it full serious.
Yeah, like this is like trying to be pretty.
Maybe we should just get this one.
Yeah, with the sausage dog. Maybe we need to go in like the kids section. Yeah. Should we get these? It's the best we can find in the boys section. Size 14. Nice. So we're just at the pub having a palmy and a Coke and half eaten because we only just turned on the camera because we only just realised so it's about that. But yeah, do you reckon we'll finish it? We're halfway. Hey guys, so we are back home from dinner now. I am so full, holy shit, and ready for bed. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit today's vlog. I'm hoping there's enough footage, but I feel like there may not be for like a decent size vlog. But I'll try my best to put whatever I can in it. It was really hard to remember to take out my camera every 2 seconds. I feel like I could have like done more at the beach, but hey, there's always next time. I think there might be a few days where I literally will have nothing to vlog because I will be like at uni or whatever, and I won't be doing anything interesting in the day. So on those days I'm thinking I will upload alternative videos, so I'll just make sure there's something up every day anyway, even if it's not a vlog. I've still got probably 3 It's the Ship vlogs, and It's the Ship after movie, and a few other of my normal videos to upload this month. So I'll just like scatter those throughout the days, and yeah, let me know if you are excited for Vlogmas. And yeah, I mean, I am. It's like kind of interesting to just see what people do just everyday life, like not trying to be fancy or like doing anything exciting. Like I only ever vlog when I'm doing something exciting. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching today. It was a super chilled day just with Mel. It was a really nice day. We literally slept on the beach. It was amazing. Slept on the beach, got a little bit sunburned I think because I'm feeling a bit crispy, but yeah, I'm gonna hit the hay and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next